Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you design the flyer, the first flyer I posted for the class. So without no time, you tap on this plus icon below here. You tap on it, then I've already inputted my size for the design, my image size, which is 1080 by 1080. That is the width and the height. So it's going to be a square design. So once you just come here, tap on it, then put here, then you now tap on this create new design button, tap on it. So allow it to load. It will bring you to the interface where you design from the scratch. Then you allow it to load. So once it show you something like this, just tap on the edge like this, drag it down, use your finger, drag it down like this, and it will simply go out. Then you move over to this place, the root element, you tap on it. So I'm going to choose a shape. I'll go to this place that I wrote shape. I'll select this circle shape. I'll tap on it. So once I tap on it, I'll drag it up like this. I'll tap on this small circle at the edge of this circle here. I'll just hold on it, drag it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, I will also adjust it up a little, drag it till I get the size of my choice. I'll drag it again, then I'll move it up like this. I'll move it up like this. Then once I'm done, I'll tap on this bad icon here, this X icon here at the edge below here. I'll tap on it. So this is my design. I'll increase it again so that it will be bigger in that square. I'll increase it small like this, then put it to the position I want it to be. I'll increase it small again till I get what I want. So I've gotten what I want. I'll just drag it up like this a little. So I'll leave it like this. So once I'm done, I'll just come here, come this place, the root color. I'll tap on it. So I'll go and select the color I want to use for my design. So I'll go to my color palette, select the color I want, because the color is not in the option here. So I'm going to look for it in the color palette. I want to, okay, let's get something that is similar to it. Okay, let's use it. So at least this color is it here. So then this is the color here. Then we'll tap on this icon, it will go out. So we have given it a color now. Then the next thing we are going to do is that I'm going to copy this circle. So I will tap on this small block here that has a plus sign in the first one here. I'll just tap on it. So it's I've already copied. I'll see it's now duplicated. So I'll just drag it up here. Then that one I copied, I'll come to this place, the root style. I'll tap on it. Then tap on this first line here. I'll tap on it. Then I've given it a stroke now. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go to border color here. I'll tap on my border color. Then look for white. Okay, so this is the white color I want now. So I will tap on this. Then I will bring it up like this. Then I'll bring it up like this. Just follow me attentively, follow me well, and you will get this design. I'll just go like this. Can you see what I did now? So this is it now. Then once I'm done, I'll just tap on that same X icon here. This will go out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to bring that my image, that image I use for my design. So I'll go to this place, the root gallery. I'll go there. It will take me to my gallery. I'll allow it to load. Network. I'll allow it to load. Wait, I'll go to I'll tap on gallery. Okay, I'll allow it. One thing about this app is it needs patience. So it's network connection. So it's not something that you design without data. So once took me, I will now look for design that my design image, which is this one. So I will tap on it. Then I will tap on. Once I'm done selecting it, I will tap on this place they wrote add to page. I will allow it. Automatically it have appeared in my page here, my design. So I will just increase it to the size of my choice. I want it. Okay, I want to leave it this way. Oh, what happened? Shit. Oh. Okay, let's go to gallery again. The thing went out. Okay, I'll tap on add to page again. What is happening? So okay, it's copied. So I'm going to delete one now. Oh shit. Okay, I'm going to undo all these things. I'll undo it to make sure that it's only one copy. Okay, it's now one copy now. So I will increase it, come down like this. I'll leave it at the center like this. So once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this place they wrote text. I'll tap on it. Then I will tap on this place they wrote add heading. I'll tap on it. I will drag it a bit up like this. Network. I'll go to here, then drag it up like this. Okay, so from here now I'll tap on this pencil icon on top here. I'll tap on it. Just follow me very well and you will get what I'm doing. Then I'll tap on right. Oh sorry, I'll go back. I'll tap on this place. Then I'll just double tap on it. It will bring out my keypad. So I'm going to type Mickey's gadget. Okay, I will make everything to be in capital letter. Mickey's gadgets. So once I'm done, I will just increase it. I'll tap on it, then leave it at the center here. Then next thing I'm going to do, I'll select that my same shape. Then I'll go to my color, my text color. You see this place they wrote color here and A on top. So I'll go to it. I'll select white. So once I'm done, then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to give my text font. So I'll tap on this font here. I'll allow it to load. So I'll look for the font I want to give it. I'll scroll up like this. Then I'll be making use of this font called Horizon. So I'll tap on it. Wow, what a nice design. So I will zoom it small like this. Then place it at the center to balance. Yeah, so this is good. Then the next thing I'm going to do here again is that I'm going to bring my contact information down below here and my address. So That's the next thing I'm going to do. Then I will go over, I will tap on this X icon again to clean up this previous one. Then I will go to elements again, then go to shape. I'll select this first one, square, this square shape. Then I'm going to, oh shit, okay, I will zoom it back. The thing zoomed automatically, so I'm going to drag it down like this. Going to drag it down like this. Okay, I'll go to elements again. One thing about this app is that it needs patience, and it's not something that you be in a haste to do. So it needs your patience, because at times it will be frustrating, but you have to endure it as a graphic designer you are. So I'll leave it like this. Then I'll change the color. I'll go to my color. I'm going to give it that color I used in this my circle here. So I'll come down here. Then once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do is that I will go over to I'll clean it, then go over to my text. Okay, wait, let's increase this square block small again. Okay, this is good. Then I'll clean it, then go over to my text here, then go to add subheading, because this is the heading. So I'll go to add subheading, then I will type my number plus, I can just, this is not a real, it's not for a real business, it's just like for sample, so you can just forge a number and put. But coming to your own, if a client give you, then you now put the number of that client and the details, the location, the handles where you can reach him, and also the contact. So but for the purpose of this class, I'm just going to forge any number. I'm just trying to show you guys how you can do it. Then I'll just forge a number, put our Nigeria code +234708145, something like this, 29. Then add like 3. Okay, so I will drag it down like this. Then I'll select on it, I'll drag it down here. So okay, I will drag it again like this. Yeah. Then next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring in my address. So I'll clean it, then go to text, then go to my address, to go to add subheading again, so to put my address. So I'll just forge any address, like number, say number 25 Area Street, Asata Road. You get, just forge anything. But in your client's own, or in the customer that gave you the job's own, make sure you put the real location. You get. And so I'll just wait. I'll tap on this and put it here. Is white background, so let me keep it where I'll be seeing the color, because white is already light and it's already in a light background. So I need where there will be a darker color that it will be. So I'll just edit this, then Enugu State. So number 25 Area Street, Asata, Enugu State. So I'm just going to simply tap on this X icon again. It will go out. Then I'll tap on it. I will drag this. Wait, I'll tap on it. Then I will drag this thing down here. But before that, I will go to color. I'll give my text a color. I will use that same color again, or okay, I will use black this time around. I'll use black. So I'll come here, then put it here to be in the same line with this contact information. Then I can choose to come to this text and look for bold. I will bold it, then zoom it small like this. Then once I bold it here, then I'll go to alignment. That same icon, that B icon I tapped, I'll tap on this one, right aligned. This first one, I'll just tap on it. Then it's okay like this. Then, but I need to edit something small. I need to edit it small. Made a mistake, sha. That is how I wanted it to be. But no problem, sha. It's not bad. You can leave it. You can leave it this way. So this is it. Then we are going to import our WhatsApp icon. So I'll go over to my gallery again. I will scroll up and look for my WhatsApp icon. Look for WhatsApp icon that I can use for the design. Say this with, let me scroll up more. Okay, so I'll tap on it. I'll add to page. Then I'm going to zoom it smaller with the help of that small circle at the edge I showed you earlier. So I'll come to this text. I'm sorry. I'll remove it. I'll tap on it. I want to reduce the size of this text. I want to, okay, let me bring this in first before it will miss. It's already white background. So I'll come to this my text here. I'll just drag it up. I want to reduce the size. I'll reduce the size more. The purpose is for both of them to enter in this block here. Then I'll bring my WhatsApp mode and I'll drag it up. Okay, I'll increase it small. Sorry, this thing, Canva needs patience. Okay, you bring it here. Then make sure it enter inside that circle like this. Then tap on it. Then drag it down like this. Drag it. Okay. Just use your hand and make sure that you get it inside very well. So I will make sure that it enters very well. Okay, so this is it. So this is my WhatsApp icon. This is our address. This is our address. I'm going to zoom it. It seems like the text is smaller. Let me increase it so that my audience can read my content and see it very well. Okay, so are you seeing it? This is good. Then we are going to add one more thing, and the thing there is we are going to add a text that will define our business. But before that, we are going to create space so we can put it here. Then I'll go to my text. So we are going to type video on different electronics and phone accessories. Different electronics and phone accessories. accessories like power banks, Android phones, chargers, cords, etc. Chargers, cords, etc. Then I'll tap on it. I'll reduce it small. Then put it here. Then okay, I'm going to reduce it small. I don't want it to be like this. So then I'll go to that B icon, sorry. I'll tap on it, go to that B icon. So I'll now put my alignment here this way. Yeah. I'll tap on the X icon. Then I want to make it more bigger. So I'll increase it and make it more bigger like this. No, I will wait. It's too much. Okay. Increase. Then I'll go to my color and give it a white color. I'll give it a white color. Then go to font, give it a good font like this one. Let's use plain Sparta for instance. Okay, no, this font is not good. Okay, let's try this same horizon again. It's too tiny. Let's scroll up. Let's use something like this one. As a graphic designer, you need to be very good in choosing your fonts because it's very important. You use font that, number one, that is legible, number two, that is brighter and clear, not something that when you put in your design, your audience or those people viewing your design cannot even read and get the information from it. So let's take note of that. Okay, I want to use a simple font. Okay, let me check this Gagali. Okay, let's use this one. You see how I'm just trying to get a better font, or let's just use our normal font. Let's just use the original font when we typed it out. Let's undo it to the original font. I think that should even be better. And then I will zoom my text, go to my alignment, put it this way, increase it small, big like this. Then go to my alignment again. I'll leave it like this. Then bring it here. Yeah. So then I will give this thing a background. I want to give this my text a background that it will carry. Let's look for background and give it. Let's bring a shape. I'll go to elements, then go to my shape here, then tap on this icon. Then I'm going to bring it this way, drag it like this so that it will cover this whole place this way. Then put it this way. I'll trim it till I get what I want. Then I'll leave it this way. Then that my shape now. Okay, sorry. This my shape. I'll give it the same. I'll give it a white color. I'll give it a white color. I'll go to I'll go back, select the shape, go to color. I'll give it a white color. Then this my font, I'll now give it the brown color. I'll give it this one, then move it here. Wow. So can you see we are coming up with a good design? Then I will come here, then I will come here, I will bold it so it will be clear like this. Then reduce the font a bit. Can you see what I'm doing? Reduce it a bit. Then make sure that it enters very well. Then so we are good to go. So this is our design. Then I want your own to be very good because we are going to replicate this design and submit your assignment. So this shape here, I want us to do something. Wait, I want to bring this shape very well. Like I want to reduce it. I want to reduce it ahead. Then come to that my font here. I don't want that shape to be touching that line. Then that font here. Then come to font size. I will drag it small like this. Yeah. So I will. Okay, I will increase this small. I will reduce it again. Okay, so this is nice. Then we deal on different electronics and phone accessories like power bank, phone, Android phones, charger, cords, etc. Yeah, so this is a very simple flyer. It's a very simple flyer and it's good. As you can see, this is a very nice design. So once you are done, I'll tap on this shape. I'll make sure I bring this thing at the center so it will be balanced. Yeah, remember one of our elements of design, balance, so it will be in balanced form. Then and also this my text here, I'll make sure I bring it closer this way. Then I'll go to spacing here. That's my line spacing. I'll bring it closer. I don't like the gap, it's too close. Then tap on the font here, go to my lines. Sorry, I'll go back. I want to reduce the size of that my letter. Then go to my tab B for that format icon. Then put it in this form. Make sure that wait. Okay, let's leave it this way. Yeah, so we're good to go. And here is our design. So thank you so much. Once you are done with this design like this, the next thing you are going to do, you will go to this place. You go to this place, the road download. This place like download icon here. You tap on it. Then you tap on download. Then as PNG or as JPG, we are downloading as JPG. So I'll look for JPG. I'll select it. Then the quality. Then I'll tap on download. So they said preparing your design. I'll allow you to load. It will take some time. I'll leave it to load. So they said save to gallery. So my design have already saved to gallery. So this is how you also do yours. Yeah, then save to gallery. Then we can now go to our gallery and know whether our design have appeared there. Let's check our gallery. So let's check our gallery. As you can see, so this is the design. I'll tap on it and view it. So if you want to do this thing for a client, after downloading it and saving it to your gallery, from here you can now go to share, and now if it is to WhatsApp, Instagram or any platform, you can now send it to the person. Or if you want to do it in document format, you can as well do that. Thank you so much.